Right, you bloody rascals, stop scrolling. I'm about to share with you a strategy for Valentine's Day that made us $124,000 this year just gone. And it's the same strategy that can do wonders for your business this Valentine's Day. So stick around. Before we could do six figures on any holiday period, we'd throw up a handful of designs, figuratively, not literally, not get much luck, and then give up and move on to the next holiday. That process was the same for quite some time. Too many times I was doubting absolutely everything I was doing in my business. Is the font choice right? Is the niche right? Is the ad set up correctly? Are the designs even good? Will anybody even freaking buy this stuff? All the second guessing did nothing for my confidence. I would do 5 or 6, I would give up, get no results, get scared, check my credit card statement, and curl up in a ball wondering what the fuck I was doing. Then I'd sneak back to my dashboard, refresh in the hope that I'd find 1 or 2 sales that just magically come through. All I wanted to do was find a winner that I could use to pay my bills. That was how I first started. After that, all I wanted to do was find a winner so I could make some serious bank so I could actually live a comfortable life and not have a 9 to 5. It was only by being in Facebook groups and believing those revenue screenshots that actually gave me the motivation to stick around and keep going. And along with those revenue screenshots, oftentimes those guys that were crushing it would give you strategies that you could use that you could dominate in your own business. And that is exactly how I started crushing it. One of my favorite acronyms is FOCUS. Follow one coach until success. So true. One product, focus. Doesn't work. Focus. With the confidence of following a consistent strategy, I finally started seeing results coming through. I knew when to start testing for a holiday period, and that's exactly what we're about to talk about. Knowing when to start testing for a holiday period, and it does change depending on the holiday that you're coming into. Valentine's Day in particular is a much shorter one because it's straight after Christmas and people just aren't ready to buy. So 4 weeks is plenty of time to get ready. But that means you've got designs waiting to go so that second week of January, you are running ads. Obviously, the sooner in those sprints that you're able to hit these winners, the more scaling you're going to be able to do, which means pay your bills off faster and make much more money faster. And that is what we all want. Whether you're new to the game or been in it for ages, you want to hit those winners and you want to hit them early so you can make money longer. So what happens when you start seeing results from a strategy that works? Well, the Valentine's Day just gone. From the 14th of January to the 14th of February, we turned over $114,000. Before that, people were still recovering from their Christmas hangover and only just coming out of their food comas. So how are you going to make the most of your 4-week sprint into this Valentine's Day? Step 0.5, get your mind flex right. Without the right mindset, you're going to fail before you even begin. You need to believe in this. You need to be doing the journaling, the exercising, the visualization, the goal setting, everything to get your mind right so you can take on the project with optimism. If you don't have a plan for yourself, somebody has a plan for you. Sit in the gratitude of your future success. That is where meditation is so powerful. Step 1. You want to make sure you have a testing budget in mind. Then you can work backwards from there to know how much to spend on each test or each design, giving yourself on average $60 to $80 per test. If you have $2,000 for the 4-week sprint, that means you're going to get 28-ish launches under your belt. The more budget you have to play with, the better. More tests means more chances of hitting more winners. Given you have a solid understanding of what the design fundamentals are, and if you don't know what they are, make sure you watch my other videos. I don't even know where to point, because once you've got your head around those fundamentals, you're going to have sales popping off here and there that are going to help support that bank balance. If you still have a job, fantastic. That effectively gives you an unlimited testing budget whilst you figure out how to do this game. Step 2, you're going to want to have a handful of niches to test. Given you've already set up your Shopify or your Shine On accounts or whatever other platform you're using. To make it easy on yourself for Valentine's Day, make sure you choose the broad husband to wife category. This is love after all that we're focusing on. Then we want to choose 2 to 3 niches under that. So sub niches, truckers, bikers, hunters, military, whatever you can think of that's more of a lifestyle type interest, they're the ones that you want to target. Aim to have 3 to 5. Then aim to have 5 designs for each of the niches that you choose. That is your starting point. Once you find those 5 for each, then you need to do the same again. Whatever you do, don't just launch 25 designs on day one. You want to ease into it. You want to make sure that Facebook isn't getting overwhelmed by you just releasing the hound. Plus, if you're new, you're going to have a limit on your account anyway, so you probably won't be able to spend that much without them stopping you. So you want to make sure you're hitting that limit every day until they bump it up and allows you to scale a little bit more, or rather test a little bit more. Step 2.5. Get your head right. Work your mind flex to see these designs and concepts before you actually create them. After finding those money makers or those phrases you want to create, make sure you allow yourself that creative time away from the screens to decompress and to let it all sink in. It's amazing what happens when you're outside exercising. The amount of aha moments I've had. Do it. You need to decompress and you need to have that time away. Too many times at the coalface we get overwhelmed, the information just doesn't get out of our creative loops, and you need to take that time. Step 3, whether it's jewelry, mugs, hats, apparel, metal, whatever it is, you want to have at least 20 to 30 designs ready to go come January 10. Remember the KISS principle. You do not need a designer to have these concepts ready to go. Simple sells. It's sold incredibly well for the last 7 years, and it'll do the same for the next 7. Keep the font choice simple, keep it to one color, and use other winning designs as inspiration for your own. Look at the layout. Apply that layout to your phrases. Step 3.5, get your head right. Your mind flex is going to determine your level of success. Not more so than when you start testing those designs and running ads and spending that hard-earned money. You need to believe 100% in what you're doing. The way I do it is I meditate daily. I sit in the future success, seeing myself having these massive winners. I'm so passionate about the meditation aspect of it because I've seen what it has done for me. Get after it. Check out Joe Dispenza. If you want to learn how to do it properly, his Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself is an absolutely killer book. Step 4, choose an ad testing method that works for you. Is it mine? Is it Kirster's? Is it Jim Cremella's? There are so many out there and they all work. You need to make sure you choose the one that sits well with you and that you can consistently do day in, day out. Keep it simple. Whatever you do, when you're first starting, don't just chop and change between them. If you start using bits and pieces of everybody's methods and not sticking to one, you're going to slip up, particularly when you're first starting. You need to commit. Step 4.5, get your head right. As Zig Ziglar once said, be so optimistic you chase Moby Dick in a rowboat and take the tartare sauce with you. POD is a mind flex game. Whether you're focused on Valentine's Day, Mother's Day UK, Mother's Day USA, Father's Day, Independence Day, Halloween, BFCM, Christmas, you're going to want to make sure that you get your head right for every single sprint that you're doing. The more you visualize your future success, the more of it you're going to have. Coupling a great mind flex with consistent action, a solid strategy will have you celebrating and sharing your screenshots to encourage others as well. Are you ready to invest in your print-on-demand business and take it seriously? I'm looking for 10 people who want to learn the skills and the strategy to build a 6-figure print-on-demand business. If you're one of them, make sure you apply now at podhacks.co. Link below. See you in the next one. Meditating and sitting in your future success is going to set you up for the best sex.